Hey guys, Trent here with How to Haven, back again with another quick tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can stop Discord from showing everyone which game you're playing, which can be really annoying, especially if you're trying to game at work or something. Kidding, who would do that? Before we get into it, I just want to ask if this video does help you today, please consider dropping a super thanks, as it really helps me out. Let's get into it. It's actually quite simple, so you want to open up your Discord app or on your desktop or whatever you're using, go to user settings, and you want to go down to activity settings, go to activity privacy, and this is what you're looking for. Display current activity as a status message. So by default, this is probably on. So if you're playing a game, it's going to display that to everyone. So if you turn this off, it's not going to show it, which is really helpful. I also like to turn this off because I don't want to share it with anybody, even if I'm joining servers, but if you feel differently, go with it. And just look at these settings, but this is the important one. Anyways, guys, if this video helps you today, you know what to do. Peace.